Today let's see the programming world's classic Hello World program. Let's save the file as hello.php. Make sure you give it an extension of .php. Save the file. Okay. Today we shall also see how the commenting system works in PHP. We will also see how we can do addition of two numbers and a little bit of string concatenation. Seems like a lot of things. Guess what? It only takes 5 to 6 minutes to learn. So we have written our HTML skeleton. Let's write the PHP codes. Whatever goes inside this PHP tags will be output in HTML form when it is executed. So // indicates single line comment. Whatever you write in that line will be ignored. Hash symbol or the pound symbol is also used for the same purpose. If you want to write multiple line comments, then /* and start writing your comments. It can go any number of lines, doesn't matter. Your parser will just ignore it. Ending of multi-line comments will be * and a slash. Now goes the actual PHP code. Echo, within double quotes, write some string. Save the file. So localhost, our file name was hello.php. Hello world, our classic program. So echo, it's just an output statement. We can even write print instead of echo. Let's see how it works. Take off echo and write print. Let's do a br tag for line break. Save the file, refresh. Okay, it's executing with a line break. Note that I had said in some previous videos that we can embed HTML code inside PHP tags. So let's take off this br and put it inside PHP tag. Let me indent, take off br. Let me put it inside PHP tags. It will work the same way. As the output of PHP is just a HTML, br is also HTML and it works the same. Now let's try 5 plus 10. It should output the result as 15. And if you see the source code, there will be nowhere mentioning of 5 plus 10. It will be directly printed as 15. br. Let me copy and paste. Let's make it a string. Whatever we write within the double quotes is treated as string. So 5 plus 10. But note that if we make only 5 as string plus 10, then it will convert 5 as numeric and output the result as 15. That is something called implicit type conversion, which we will discuss in detail in another video. What else? Let's see the string concatenation. Here in PHP, dot or period is used as concatenation operator. So our first string is hello, period. Second string is world. The output will be hello world. We will discuss concatenation in detail in some other video. This is just an introduction. Save the file, refresh, hello world. So this is our program. output is seen on the HTML browser. See you later.